Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Lab SolidWorks practice model tutorial series. In this tutorial, we are going to design the simple machine parts. You can see in your screen, this is the model that we are going to design in this video. Let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and go for OK. Here you can see the unit is millimeter gram second. So here it is default unit and my requirement is also millimeter. So let it be like this. I'll go for the plane selection. I will select top plane and go for the sketch. I will start with the circle. I will draw here two concentric circles. Go for the dimension. I'll be giving the diameter for this, which is 40, and the inner one having the diameter which is 30. Now come out from the sketch. I'll go for the extrude. From the drop down menu I will select the sketch, but from here you have here option called selection contour. I will delete everything. I'll choose outer one and reverse the extruded direction and give the extruded height 120 and just go with the OK. Now I will go for the plane creation. Click on the plane. I will choose here right plane and click on this tangent surface. Now just go with the OK. Now you can see here one plane has generated here. Select that plane and go for the sketch. Make it normal to the plane and just take a line like this. Go straight like this. Convert into arc here like this and just draw the line like this and make a close sketch here like this. I'll go for the circle once again and I will draw a concentric circle with this. Now click on the dimension, give the dimension here one by one. So I'll be giving the radius here which is 15, and for this I'll be giving here the diameter which is 12. Here I need to give one distance from this point to this origin, having the distance which is 45. Now I need to go for the angle dimension. Select this line and this line. Go for the dimension here. Give angle here which is 12.11 like this. Now you can see your sketch is fully defined and as well as closed. So come out from the sketch, go for the feature extruded boss base, and we need to reverse the direction first and then give the extruded height which is 10 and just go with the OK. Now you see here your model is looking like this. Now click on this, make it height. Now I'll go for this, I'll select this extrude and click on the mirror here. In this mirror I will just choose here this front plane and just go with the OK. Now you see here your model is looking like this. Now once again I need to create a plane here. So I will take here first reference this and reverse the direction and give the distance which is 7.5 plus 4. So I'll be giving the 11.5 and just go with the OK. Take this plane and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. Here I will draw here two concentric circle here first. You can see I'll draw here two concentric circle like this. Now just click on the dimension and give the diameter for this here. The outer one is having the diameter which is 80. Inner one is having the radius 25. So I'll be giving here diameter 50. Actually all this you can change from here itself. Click on the leaders and go for this radius. Just leave it like this. If you want you can change this also. Now I will give here certain relation, this and this having the relation horizontal, and give a dimension here which is 80. So from this point to this point having the dimensions which is 80. Now you see here your sketch is looking like this. I'll just start a line from this point here, you can see. I'll just connect it up to this. Once again I will take a line and I'll start from this point and I will connect it up to here. And if you want, you can create a convert entities. Select this, just go for this and go with the OK. Now you can see your sketch is like this. I need to trim this, so for that I will draw here one line which is like this. Go for the trim command, trim this and come out from the sketch. So first I will go for the extruded boss base. I will choose here selection contour feature and click on this. Here I will choose mid plane and I will be giving the extruded height which is 15 and just go with the OK. So go to the inside and make the sketch visible. Then again you need to go for the extruded boss base. From the drop down menu you can choose the sketch. So from selection contour I will choose this portion and I will be giving the extruded height which is 11. And here I will choose which is mid plane. Now just go with the OK. Now you can hide this plane, this sketch. I'll just go for the fillet here. I'll choose this edge and here I will choose this edge. Here I will choose this edge. Here I will choose this edge. In the similar way I will choose this edge and I'll tilt it. I'll be choosing this edge and from here I'll be choosing this edge and just go with the OK. Here you can see this fillet radius, actually this is not 1 mm, this I need to give here 2 mm, I have replaced it. In the first sketch you can see here I created 2 circles, so I will use that circle right now. So go for the extruded cut and from the drop down menu I will choose that sketch and from the selection contour feature I will choose this inner circle and just give the cut up to next and just go with the OK. And you can make the sketch invisible. So guys, you can see here your model is getting ready. So hope you have enjoyed these tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.